Welcome back to our channel. Today's video is very flavorful because we're doing 3 different flavors of ganache, and I'm going to teach you all 3 different ways of infusing your ganache with different types of flavors. So let's just begin with the video and see how we do it. So guys, the first recipe is dark chocolate mint ganache, and we have some Callebaut here. This is 35 grams Callebaut. I'll put all the measurements in the description box below. My gas is on, the bowl is getting heated. Let's put the chocolate in. Let it start melting and then we'll add the cream. Y'all can double the quantity. I'm making lesser quantities because we're not going to use these as such for anything as of now. So I'm just making this for the video. That's why I'm making this small quantity. Y'all can just double the quantities as well. And I have taken Callebaut here. Y'all can also take any other brand, which is Morde, 2M, Vanlier, any brand works. Y'all can take any brand that y'all prefer. Y'all can also make any other flavor by adding the essence that we are going to add mint essence. So y'all can also make any other flavor if y'all don't want to make chocolate and mint. We are going to infuse our ganache with 3 different techniques. So we're going to make 3 different flavors and 3 different styles of infusing the ganache. Chocolate has started melting now. Our chocolate is all melted now. We'll go ahead and add cream, which is again 35 ml of Amul cream. So we're doing 1:1 ratio. Our ganache mixture is ready. Now I just have to add the essence. I'll put the gas off now, and I've taken this Fab Mint essence. Taking a few drops of it, mixing it well. So it depends on your taste preference, if you want it too much or if you want little less. I've not added a lot. I've added very few drops of it. We just want a hint of mint. We don't want too empowering taste of mint, so we've taken that less. Now I'm going to remove this and keep it aside, and we'll get on to the second recipe of the flavored ganache, which will be milk chocolate coffee. So now moving on to the next recipe, which is milk chocolate ganache infused with coffee. We're taking milk chocolate here. This is not a Couverture chocolate, this is compound. I have taken Morde milk compound. I'm just going to put the gas on. Let this melt. Also remember, milk chocolate takes a lot of time to melt and it gets lumpy while melting. So remember to 1, chop it and melt it, and 2nd, do not leave it on the gas just like that. Keep stirring it because otherwise it will get lumps. Since milk chocolate is pretty sweet, coffee goes really well with it. You can otherwise use coffee with dark chocolate as well, but because coffee is a little bitter, milk chocolate and coffee go really well. I've just put the gas off, so basically the flame is off now. I'm just trying to melt it with the heat of the bowl and the heat of the chocolate. Now going ahead with the Amul cream, we have taken 22 grams, so that is 4:1 ratio. Now the ganache is ready. We will just remove it from the gas and we'll add the rest of the things that we have to add. We like coffee a lot, so I'm just going to add approximately 3 teaspoons of coffee, which may over empower the ganache, but again it depends on your taste preference how much coffee you want. So I'm just going to slowly go ahead and add this water. Mix it well. Adding with water will obviously change the consistency, so you can take little lesser water if you want, but this can be used nicely once it's like kind of cold and set. You can use it for filling and frosting. Otherwise this can also be used as a glaze on top of a cake. So guys, starting the third recipe now, which is Pan Gulkand Ganache. We have Gulkand Soft and Elaichi here, and we have Amul cream over here. Amul cream is 30 grams. So for this one, you have to first heat up the cream. And for flavoring, we are going to add this Gulkand Soft and Elaichi directly into the cream. There is no specific, again, measurements. I'm just adding according to our taste preference. I'm just going to start the gas now. Now you heated your cream enough, and I've mixed everything really well so your cream is all infused with the flavors. I'm just going to go ahead and add the rest of the mixture as well. Mix it well. Now we'll leave this aside to get more infused, like for the cream to get more infused. So now we've taken 90 grams of white chocolate. We'll melt this separately on double boiler. So what you follow for milk chocolate, melting the milk chocolate, try and follow the same with white chocolate. Chop it and keep mixing it so you don't burn the white chocolate and there are no lumps. So here is our cream ready, and this is still warm. I'm just going to go ahead and sieve it. So you need to press it very hard so all the cream is sieved and going into the chocolate, melted chocolate. Now make sure all the cream that's stuck at the bottom of the sieve, you put it in the chocolate. Give it a nice stir. Now if the fat is separating like this, you can add a little bit of water and mix it well. Just adding a little hot water and take a whisk and give it a very quick stir. And you can see how it's all come together now by adding a little bit of hot water. If you're using it for filling, you can add it to the Gulkand and Soft and everything, but if you just want it a little smoother, you can just sieve it like I did. So guys, these are the three ganaches we made. This is the dark chocolate mint ganache, this is the Pan Gulkand white chocolate ganache, and this is the coffee milk chocolate ganache. So that's it for the video. I hope you'll enjoy this video, and if you all did, don't forget to let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite, and also what are you going to try out with your ganache and what flavors are you going to try out. Don't forget to let me know that, and if you all make it, don't forget to tag us on Instagram, and also if you want to follow us there, don't forget to follow us there, and please subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you all really soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, stay safe.